Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to be continuing with our camper van build. So we are going to do stage 79 of Build the Camper Van, and we are going to be starting work on the next door today. So we finished the work on the, was it the right door or the left? I don't know. We worked on one of the doors on the side anyway, and we're going to be starting the next one today. I honestly haven't got a clue whether it's the left right door or the right door, or I really don't know. We're working on doors. That's all I can say right now. So yeah, there is a little bit to do on this one. Very fiddly springs, but it should be okay. Shouldn't have a problem with this one. So enough of me rabbiting on. Let's just get on with it today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so we're going to be working the initial assembly of the right side door. So the right one. Okay, so what we need to do first of all is I'm just going to bring my little part work upgrades cushion across. Because here we have the door. We got this in a previous issue. This was in issue 78, I believe. We just need to take it out of here. Now I'm going to be careful, because I really want to put this door back in place into here to keep it protected when we're finished. But the first thing we need to do is we've got some trim to put on, as you can see just here. Now this can only go on one way, which is that way. Okay, and we need to secure that in with some BP09 screws. So we need 3 of them. Get my first one lined upon my screwdriver, and here we go. I'm going to go for the middle. There we go, that's one. Remember, you are going into plastic, so don't over tighten these. Okay, so there we go. Right, so the next bit we need to do is we need to bring these 2 pieces across. So this piece here and the handle. And what we're going to do is, it's asking us to first note that this is in sort of a D-shaped pattern, and it's going to fit in more or less like that. Now beforehand I did check the fit of that, and there was a little bit of flashing just in here, so I just ran my scalpel just in the side to take any of the flashing out, and that was yeah, that's fine. So we're just going to bob the handle onto there like that. Now what I'm going to do is, just to ease things, I'm just going to get some masking tape or low tack tape, whatever you have. I'm just going to secure the handle in place there, and then I can flip this over and I can put this D pattern on. It should go on nice and easy, just like so. That's how it's got it in the magazine, so we are correct. And then we need to secure that down with another BP09 screw. So we'll get one of them in. Fantastic. Okay, so that was a lot easier than what I thought. Now my theory is, yeah, just looking at that and just seeing how it's going to work. Okay, so next what we need to do is we need to bring across this spring, and this is just going to fit into there, just in that channel. Then we bring the next part across, which is this bit here, which is kind of shaped like a gun, and we just need this point here to go into the spring, then it to cover that part there. Okay, now I'm having to hold my finger on that one because yeah, it wants to fly everywhere. Next we need the cover here, so what we're going to do is we're just literally going to try and cover this without it going anywhere. Ah, you see that? Knew that was going to happen. If I knew that was going to happen, why did I let it happen? Goodness knows. Okay, so we'll try again. Almost had it then, no. I thought I was going to do that in one. But, there we go. So, there we go. Oh, no, it's done it again. Sometimes these can be the most difficult things to do in building. Okay, I just want to check that that works, which it does. Okay, right, so now we've got that on, we need to secure that down with 2 BD08 screws. So I'm just going to get 2 of them out. Now we have got some screws left over from this issue, so I will put them back away in my screw pot. But that's one in place. Okay. Right, so if I take this tape off now, remember it's just a low tack tape, we can now check to make sure that mechanism works. Now I'm just a little bit cautious there that the handle seems a little bit loose, so I'm just going to take this off a little and just see if I can tighten that handle a little bit. So that's just me loosening the screws. Ah, no, it's not going to allow me to. I just want to tighten that handle, it just seems quite a bit loose. But I don't want to over tighten it. Okay. Try again. So that on there. That. Okay, the spring decided to fling off then. Lucky that landed back on the desk. If not, I would have been looking for it on the floor. Okay. Try and get this back on. Okay, and that is a little bit better. Okay, I'm happy with that, and the catch works. Okay, and that is all there is to do in this issue. So we have worked on the door, and there it is with the handle working. Now we did get some other parts in this issue. We got some more hinges which are in here. We did get a window. I've just put some masking tape on that just to cover it at the moment. I don't believe we're doing anything with these until the next issue, so I've just put them in a bag, labelled it up the issue number it came in so it's nice and safe away. And then what I will do also is I'll put that in there, and then I can put it in the bag that it came in, and it just keeps it all nice, safe and secure, and no scratches or smudge marks or anything. So that is stage 79 complete. Well, that was a nice quick easy issue. No losing springs on that one, which has happened in the past. The screws went in okay, and yeah, I'm really happy with it. Apart from having just to take out any little bits of just to make sure then the handle and the catch that lined up properly. That was a very nice easy issue to do, and I'm hoping the next one's easier than that. And as you can see, I always make sure I store my parts nice and safe. It's one thing that drives me bonkers, but yeah, it's all worth it in the long run. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.